Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wells Fargo online account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process for a Wells Fargo online account, navigate to the official Wells Fargo website. On the home page, locate the Enroll button. Click on the Enroll button to start the registration. You will be directed to the next screen, where you need to input some personal information. Enter your social security number or your tax ID number as prompted. Next, provide your account type, which could be checking, savings, or credit. Fill in your account number in the designated field. After that, enter your email address for account notifications. Create a user ID that you will use to log into your account. Choose a password that meets the security criteria outlined on the page. Confirm your password in the next field to ensure accuracy. Once all information is entered, review the details for any mistakes. If everything looks correct, click on the Continue button. Follow any additional prompts for security questions and verification. After completing all required fields, click Submit to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully registered. Now you can use your new user ID and password to log into your Wells Fargo online account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.